Nanap po siya. Kena. Bisaya, this vlogger. So what's up mga guys? Na ako diri sa the best halo-halo is now here in Cebu daw. Pero atong suwayan kung lami jud. Let's go.
Ang halo-halo kay usa ka Filipino dessert naghimo sa mixed fruit, sweetened white beans, and shaved ice ug ang all-time favorite ang ice cream. Ang halo-halo mo nang pinakapaborito sa tanang Pilipino ug ang English sa halo-halo kay mix ug perfect food sa kainit sa Pilipinas.
Aside sa kanang lami siya is estudyante manggod ni, then limited na ba yung budget, pero sa sholem manggod kay ang money na ma-budget na mo is pwede pa na mo siya magasto if ganahan ni makakaon o something nga lami.
Sholem is a family-owned business. Before siya officially nag-open last May 2020, our first store in Sewage Puso, nagtitinda na yung family na nalungkalo sa bahay lang. And then we decided to bring it outside last May 2019, doon sa Sewage. But eventually, when we transferred here sa sangi, close na namin yung Sewage and we focused here sa location na sangi. Sholem or shalom means peace. And as Christian, we believe that we should share our mission na i-share ang word ni God sa ating mga kapatid, sa ating mga igsoon, no? And this business is not only focused on gaining money or producing income, but we also want the people to experience peace when they come here at Sholem. Sholem Sangi officially opened last November 10, 2019. We are located at Sangi Road, Lapu-Lapui City. Monday to Saturday, we're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and then Sunday 2 a.m. to 10 p.m. It comes in different varieties, so it comes in different flavors. We have melon. We use fresh fruit juice, melon, buko, langka, avocado, and mango flavored ice. So basically, you can choose the flavor you want kung ano sa man ang inyong ganahan. Hi everyone! We are inviting you to please come and experience our most delicious halo-halo in town, the top of town today, Sholem Halo-Halo. And you will surely love our homemade ice cream.
Kibaw ba muna ang halo-halo most likely derived sa Japanese dessert called kakigori, shaved ice served with sweetened beans. Bisita na mo sa Sholem Halo-Halo located at Sangi Road, Lapu-Lapui City. Ug pwede mo maka-reserve ug mga seats, just contact 0917-3185-551. Ug ang ilang store hours kay Monday to Saturday 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sundays 2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
So mga gahay, no? Busog juga ko lamig juga ilang halo. Commended ilang halo. O ilang spaghetti. Sus. Creamy kayo. Yung sekreto ata eh.
Ang words sa Ginoo.
So stay tuned lang. So stay tuned lang sa next vlog na to. Asa na ito magsamok-samok. Asa na ito kaon. Busog kayo. Bye!